everyone. Happy Friday. That's the day that I'll be posting this video. So today I need to spend some time preparing my SUV camper, Sangria, for a long, possibly snowy trip. So there are a few things I want to do. I want to make sure I have extra food, extra blankets. I need to make sure all of my fluids in the SUV are topped off, which is something I normally do anyway. I know for sure I need to refill my windshield wiper fluid. And then I also want to show you all how I set up Sangria to sleep 2 people, but still have my kitchen area accessible in the car. So you're probably wondering, oh, what is this? These legs sticking up here. That is a shelf that I built, and we will get more into that. Let me head to the back here, pop the trunk, and I'll show you what that's for. You probably already know, but I'll show you more detail what that's for. Okay, so here's my shelf, and what I do is I stick it widthwise along the car. That way 2 people can sleep and have room for their feet underneath. And then I just move my kitchen cabinet and things like that on top of the shelf. Now, I only put it up when we're stationary, when I'm not driving. That way it's not flipping all over the place. So I'm gonna set it up and let me show you how that looks. And there we go. So as you can see, I put my kitchen counter up here. I have my sink and my cutting board over here. This space underneath is completely free for toes. I'm gonna move this for right now. I would probably put this in the front seat to make sure there's enough room. And there you go, room for feet right here. Doesn't look like much because I have my bedding set up over here. And of course, for that side, I would just set up the bedding as well. And what I even did, hopefully y'all can see this is my water spigot. So what I do is I put 1 gallon of water under here. I put the straw from this little fountain inside of the 1 gallon water bottle. Boom, I have water right up here. Of course, I may need to adjust it, you know, depending on what I'm filling it with. And then I can easily move this stuff over to the side. So if I need to cook, all I need to do is put my rice cooker and things like that right up on here. This time I am bringing my butane stove for extra cooking sources. Yeah, so that's what I do. And actually I can move this right here and it'll probably be just fine. And let me show you how that looks when the cargo door is closed. There we go. Here's another angle. Now for right now, I just moved my 5 gallon water jug down to the bottom. But like I said, I will put a 1 gallon water bottle over there underneath my water faucet. But yeah, that is how it looks. So I believe I built this with about 13 inches or so from the bottom to the top. That way you can comfortably fit 2 people and I still have my kitchen area so I can still cook inside. So you might be thinking, why don't you set up your SUV camper like this on a regular basis? Here's why. I would have a lot more room. So I would have this whole side. So like right here, I would have this whole side where I could just stretch out as opposed to just this one area. I would have the whole width of the car to spread out. The reason I do not keep it like this on a regular basis is because for safety reasons, I prefer to have access to all entrances and exits at all times. I only do this to accommodate sleeping 2 people. That is why I don't travel with this on a regular basis. When I am driving in this situation, what I do is I just put my cabinet, my sink, all that extra stuff underneath the shelf. And that keeps it secure to where it won't topple over when I'm driving. And then, of course, when it's time to settle in and get comfortable for the night, then I move my kitchen cabinet from the bottom to the top. So we can still cook. If I want, I can put my sink over here. So yeah, that is what I do when I need 2-person setup. Okay, so I want to show y'all the extra food that I got for this trip that I'm bringing along. So you know I'm prepared for the snow that might be headed our way on my way back. But first, I had to do a little retail therapy on Temu. So I just want to show you guys some gadgets that I picked up on Temu for cheap. So here we go. All right, the first thing, oh, and they're already lighting. I got 2 of these puck lights. They're like $1.17 each. And what I didn't realize was I got the wrong ones because they're actually motion activated. And it says you can turn off the motion activation, but help me out. I don't see where. This is just like little light areas. This is where you recharge it. This is, you know, the sticky, so I can stick it up wherever I want it. But I don't see the area where I can turn off the motion sensing, and the instructions are not very clear. So I'm like, I don't know. Uh-oh, where'd I put the box? Where'd I put the box? Y'all, what am I gonna do with myself? Okay, seriously, what did I do with the box? That quick, I lost the box? How did I lose this box already? Lord have mercy. Okay, ignore that. Moving on. What the heck did I do with the box? Lord have mercy. Anyway. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased, and this was also like $1.60. This is a flashlight. I always see on YouTube, it's a rechargeable flashlight. I always see on YouTube where people have these really cool flashlights that go really long range. And it's like, it has the mode where it's like a wide mode. And then it has the mode where it like zooms into a specific area. So I want to give this a shot on my next camping adventures. I thought this was really cool. So yeah, you can dim it. You can do the SOS mode. Yeah. And it's rechargeable. I love that. And then I like the fact that I can just like hook it on my wrist so I don't lose it. So yeah, that was like $1.60, and it came with a little cord to recharge it. So I can't wait to use this because I'm going to be a little weirdo with my flashlight. You know, the small things in life. So I will put that readily available. Okay. Oh, I don't know how, but the last time I went car camping, I lost my 2 back magnetic window curtains, even though I still have this fabric curtain here. For the, you know, for the windows, I still like to put these magnetic curtains on first and then put up my homemade DIY fabric curtains, because I find that it just helps. Like if the curtains sag, then this magnetic curtain won't let that light through if I have my lights on. So I bought another set of those. I think that was like $4 for both of them total. And then for about $7 and some change, I bought a dash cam. This will be in use on the Georgia trip. I did forget to purchase an SD card, so I need to get one of those. But yeah, just some cool cheap things that I purchased. I have tested out the dash cam a little bit. It says it's supposed to be HD 1080 pixels or whatever. I'm not very impressed with the quality so far, but I wasn't driving when I tested it out. I was just at home. And then last, I actually bought these off of Temu a while ago, and I've never used them, but I'm going to bring them along just in case. So these are little like alcohol stoves. So you untwist it, you pour the alcohol in here, and then you just light it. You know, I just figure the more sources I have to heat water, warm up food, make food, the better in this type of situation. And I guess really anytime, because they're just little, they don't take up much space. So yeah, that was my Temu haul that I'm super excited about. And I'm really like, I don't know what the heck. How did I lose that box? Like within a minute or two. See, this is how I probably lost my magnetic curtains. Seriously, I'm gonna let it go. Okay. But yeah, I need to figure out how to make the lights on again. I need to figure out how to make them non-motion sensor and just on and off. So anyway, all right, so I got extra food with me, and I decided to put it in like a cooler bag this time because I brought so much extra, it is just not going to fit inside of my kitchen cabinet. I have coffee in here. Mostly it's like coffee items because I'm a coffee addict. I admit it. I love me some good coffee. So yeah. Oh, and this is a cool item I just got too for Christmas. Let me show you. So, okay, it just looks like a regular old cup, right? Oh, but wait. So it has a top. Well, it has this little button right here, right? And you see this down here? It stirs for you. Well, that was one of my Christmas presents, so I thought that was really cool. All right, so I have extra food. I have a buttload of oatmeal, tuna fish, green beans, black-eyed peas. I have carnation milk. I found the other box. I have cream of coconut here so I can sweeten up my coffee and my oatmeal without having to carry around creamer. I like that option better. Just me. I like the taste of coconut. Oops. Okay, what else do I have in here? I have some seasonings. I have some pumpkin seeds. I have sofrito, black-eyed peas, green beans, rice. These little snackies here. So it's like chocolate and blueberries. And then I also have some chocolate and cherries. Of course, I have my cinnamon because I can't do oatmeal without cinnamon. What else do I have here? Oh, instant mashed potatoes and lentils, orange lentils. So yeah, I think, and when I say a buttload of oatmeal, I do mean a buttload of oatmeal. So this big bag of rolled oats here. And then I also have like 5 individually wrapped pairs, 5 oatmeals, like the instant kind. So yeah, yeah, so I think I'm prepared. I have plenty of food. I'm probably going to stop by the Dollar Tree and get some raviolis because somebody put a really funny comment in the last video that posted on Tuesday about how he gets the canned raviolis and he puts them by the heater on his dash, the car heater on his dash, and like within 30 minutes it's warm enough to eat. So I'm like, I love some raviolis, the Chef Boyardee raviolis. So yeah, that's definitely happening. All right, so the last thing that I need to do to prep for this trip is to top off my fluids in my vehicle. Like I said, I know for sure I need to put in windshield wiper fluid, and I'll carry some of that as well with me just in case some extra. And then I'm bringing along my butane stoves. My butane, now I know that doesn't perform too well in lower temperatures, so I brought the backup little alcohol stoves. I'm not sure how well those perform in lower temperatures, but I think I'm good. I have, oh my gosh, I also have a heated blanket. Oh, this is a heated blanket. It's pretty low voltage, so it should last on my Bluetti EB3A for a good amount of time. So yeah, I'm all set, I'm all prepared, and I'm excited for this Georgia trip, and I'm ready. I'm ready for the snow. So if it decides to act up, I'm ready for you. Bring it. Yeah, I'm ready. Bring it. All right, so have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. If the weather is supposed to get ugly in your area this weekend, please be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate all the support that you all have given me. Really means a lot. So thank you. I will see you Tuesday. All right, have a great weekend. See you Tuesday. Be safe out there.